Hi guys, all right, it's time to do calendar. So get out your calendar paper that looks like this. Open to a clean page so that we can get started. You also need to make sure that you have a pencil or a marker or a crayon or something to write with. So if you don't have that, you need to open to a clean page and then get something to write with. All right, good. So today is Monday. We're back at school with last week. We had our first week of school, and now this is our second week of school, and it's Monday again. So we are still in the month of August, but guess what? It's the last day of the month of August. So this is the last time we're going to be doing calendar for August. Next time we'll have a new month that we're going to start and talk about. So next time we meet for calendar, it's going to be a new month. It's not going to be August anymore. All right. So we know that August has how many letters in that word? Hold up your hand and show me how many letters that it takes to spell August. We've been talking about this, and it's in the same number every time. What number is it? 6 letters in the word August. Let's count again just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6. Good. All right. Let's count how many days we've had in August. Last time we were counting, we said that there were 28 days. And then we had some weekend days. So now today is Monday, August 31st, 2020. So when I say 31st, that means it's the number 31. And to make the number 31, you have to have a 3 and you have to have a 1. And guess which number comes first? The 3 is going to come first and then the 1. So today is August 31st, 2020. Good. All right. So we already said that today is Monday. So that means that yesterday was what day? If today's Monday, then that means that yesterday was a weekend day. Who remembers what day it was, though, on the weekend? Let's sing our song and see if we can help us remember. You ready? There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So we know that if today is Monday, then yesterday was Sunday. And if today is Monday, then tomorrow will be Tuesday. Good. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. All right. Now we're going to fill out our calendar paper. So I hope you have a pencil or a crayon or something with you. I'm going to scoot it up just like this so that you can see it a little bit better. All right. I've got my markers. And the first thing that we need to do is trace the month. And we said that the month is August. So we're going to trace it just like that. So trace August for me. All right. Now it says the date today is August blank. So we said that there were how many days in August that we've had so far? It's the last day in August. So there have been 31 days. So that means we need a 3 and a 1. And we already said the 3 is going to come first and then our 1. Just like that. Now we're going to write our date over here. And we said that there are 12 months in a year, but the August is number 8 out of the 12. So we're going to write 8 in the first box, just like this, because it's number 8 out of the 12 months. Then it wants to know how many days we've had in August, and we've already said we've had 31. This is the last day in August, so we're going to write 31. Our 3 is going to go first, and then our 1. And now we need to write our year in the last box. So we said that it is 20, 20. So we're just going to write 20. And to do that, we need a 2 and a 0. And our 2 goes first, and then our 0 to make 20. All right. And now it says today is, and wants to know what day of the week it is. And we've already sang our song, and we know that today is Monday, because it's the first day back to school. So we're going to put our box around Monday. Now it wants us to color the pattern. And we've been talking about what pattern. If you know what pattern we've been talking about, tell a friend, or tell mom or dad or brother or sister, someone that's beside you, what type of pattern we've been talking about. We've been talking about A-B pattern. So I'm going to write A-B right there so that I know. And when we talk about an A-B pattern, that means we can only have 2 colors or 2 shapes for our pattern. So for my pattern today, I'm using orange, and I'm going to use brown. So I'm going to start with orange. And my first circle is going to be orange. Then if I did orange, my next circle has to be brown, because we've said, can I have 2 orange circles beside each other? No. Can I have 2 brown circles beside each other? No, because if I do, it's not an A-B pattern anymore. So after brown, what color do I need next? I need a orange circle. I need an orange circle. All right, after orange, what color's coming next? Brown. Then what? Orange. Then what? And my last circle is brown. Good. All right, now I'm going to trace the shapes, and I'm going to trace over them because there's dotted lines, and dotted lines tell me that I need to trace. So our first shape is a square. So let's trace our square together on the dotted lines. Our next shape is a what? Circle. So we're going to trace our circle. All right. Now we have a triangle. Say triangle. Let's trace our triangle together. All right. Now we have a diamond. Say diamond. We're going to trace that together, our diamond. All right. Now we have a rectangle. Say rectangle. Rectangle kind of looks like a square, but it's longer. And last we have our oval. Say oval and trace it. Good. All right. Now it says all about the number. So last time we ended, our last number that we talked about was 5. So today our next number is going to be what? Let's count together and see what number comes after 5. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our new number that we're talking about today is 6. And it looks like that. 6. All right, now it says, how many buses are there? So when I look, I don't think there's enough buses there. So let's count how many buses we have here. You ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's only 5 buses. But our number today is what? Our number today is 6. So do I have 6 buses here? I don't have enough buses. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to color in the buses that I do have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know I only have 5 buses there, and my number today is 6. So I'm going to put 5 right here to let me know that I know there's only 5 buses there and not 6 buses, even though our number today is 6. So write the number 5 right there to let me know that you know that there are 5 buses. Now it says we have been in school for blank days. So we have been in school for 6 days. So we're going to write 6 right there in our triangle. And now at the bottom it says listen and trace. I know we're tracing because what? What do we see there? Dotted lines. So let's trace our numbers. Let's say the name of the number one we trace. You ready? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. All right, you should have all of your numbers traced just like I do. If you have that done, give me a thumbs up. Awesome job. I will see you guys for calendar tomorrow. Good job, guys.